Many RFID labels look almost the same at first glance. Same white surface, similar size, similar shape. But in real applications, the differences show up immediately. So, when RFID labels look so similar, what actually makes them different? The first difference is the chip and antenna. Many RFID labels are passive, which means they do not carry a battery. They receive energy from the radio signal sent by the reader. But not every label captures energy, powers the chip, and sends data back in the same way. A more sensitive chip can be activated more easily. A better matched antenna can receive and return signals more steadily. The second difference is materials and adhesive. The chip and antenna determine whether the label can be read, but the substrate, adhesive, and encapsulation determine whether it can actually be used in real life. A label may go through printing, application, transport, friction, moisture, and long-term use. If the material structure is unstable, or if the adhesive does not fit the target surface, the label may work at first, but fail later. The third difference is the application environment. Where the RFID label is applied matters a lot. Cartons, apparel tags, plastic packaging, liquid bottles, and metal equipment all require different label considerations. Metal and liquid can significantly change the electromagnetic environment. A standard label may have a shorter read range, become unstable, or even fail completely in these scenarios. The fourth difference is encoding and system fit. An RFID label does not create value only by being read. The EPC, TID, or user data inside the label must match the backend system correctly. If codes are duplicated, rules are unclear, or business data is not linked, the label may be read but still fail to create real business value. So a good RFID label is not only a hardware fit, it also needs the right data logic. To know whether an RFID label is the right fit, do not judge only by appearance or price. You need to know what material it will be applied to, how far it needs to be read, and whether it will go through printing, transport, friction, moisture, or bending. You also need to consider reader setup, tag orientation, the on-site environment, and whether the encoding rule matches the system. The most reliable way is to test the label on real items and in the real workflow. So when RFID labels look similar, it does not mean they perform the same. The real differences are hidden in the chip, antenna, materials, adhesive, encapsulation, encoding, and application fit. Choosing the right RFID label is not choosing a label that simply looks similar. It is choosing an identification solution that can work reliably in the real world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insider insights. See you next time.